screwdriver. This is my multi-use screwdriver. Use it for a lot of different things, but I stick it in here and that will allow me to open up this front cover. I'm just going to set that off to the side. Now there's two different ways you can shut the water off. The easiest is going to be this tool right here. Looks a little funky. It has a little U-shaped device right down here, and this fits neatly over the water meter shutoff valve right here, and we'll show you that here in a second. You can find these at Home Depot, and pretty handy. Or if you don't have one of these, use channel locks. Channel locks work really well as well, and just adjust them and turn it on this wrench and turn it, and we'll show you here in a second how to do that. Okay, so here we are with this tool. We just stick this over the house side or street side valve, and we're gonna line up these two holes together. That's the way that we know we're gonna twist it. It only goes one direction, so we're gonna twist it just like that, and that's how we're gonna shut the water off with this tool. And again, it just fits right over the top. This is closed, and we know that because these two holes are lined up. And we're gonna open the water back up. If you don't have that fancy tool, the other one you can use is the channel locks, an adjustable wrench. Same concept, just adjust it so you can put your tool on the valve and twist this nice and easy so that you line up those two holes. So that's off. I'm going to turn that back on, just like that. I hope you enjoyed that little video as to how and where your main water shutoff valve is, and what tools you can use to turn off your water in case of an emergency. If you still need help with this, we'd be happy to help you and assist you. I'm John from American Eagle Plumbing. We're better, faster, cleaner.